In this video, let me show you how to fix transaction error in Trust Wallet. Having trouble with a transaction error in Trust Wallet? Here's a quick guide to help you fix it. First, open the Trust Wallet app, tap your main wallet, then the three dots next to it, rename your wallet, hit the check mark, and check if the issue is resolved. If not, head to Play Store, search for Trust Wallet, and ensure the app is updated. You can also enable auto updates by tapping the three dots on the top right and still not working, go to your phone settings, open the app section, find Trust Wallet, then go to storage, clear both data and cache. This will reset the app, so make sure you reconnect your wallet afterward. That should solve your issue. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.